suit to me. Focus on my future. I've got one life, wanna make it count. Accept the best, I love myself so I'll free my soul. Keep
Hello, everyone. Good morning. So, after yesterday's retreat, now here we are ready to start. So, hello, can you hear me? Hello, yes, I'm getting responses in the chat box. Good morning. And then, as we had discussed yesterday about the process, thoughts, and we are all here excited to start our 3 weeks challenge. ओके सो यस आप सबके लिए हम लोग लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश हिंदी मिक्स बिकॉज इट विल बी इजियर फॉर एवरी वन टू अंडरस्टैंड थोड़ा सा मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहती हूँ कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वी आर गोइंग टू डू in this 3 weeks challenge. Hi, good morning. I can see lot many good morning. Thank you so much for joining. I'm so happy to see your excitement. And yes, this call, this meeting is getting recorded. I'll put a recording in the group for everyone, for so that later you can catch up, others in the group can catch up. If possible, yes, please put your videos on so to get maximum energies, but I'll not force because you can just listen this while you're working also, but please if possible you can switch on your videos. I will love to see all of you. So आज जो हमारा ये कल का retreat was the introduction about the wellness. एंड ये जो इनिशिएटिव है हमारा कि वी हैव टू बी ऑन दैट पाथ सो दैट इट्स अ कंसिस्टेंट एफर्ट्स एंड हम लोग भी सारे एज अ मेंटोर्स है बट वी हैव गॉन थ्रू दिस जर्नी वी आर ऑल्सो लर्निंग अलोंग विथ यू एंड दैट्स वाई वी डिसाइडेड टू शेयर वाई बिकॉज you will also learn, then in turn we create a good community and we can inspire more and more people around. So generally what we will do in this 3 weeks challenge कि कल का जैसे हमारा सारा था thought process, how it is important, perception, how your perception should be always good whatever may be the incidents. Yeah, it is difficult, we need a practice for that, and at the same time having healthy lifestyle in terms of physical activity, exercise है, yoga है या nutrition है, ये सारा मिलके एक होल हमें व्हील ऑफ लाइफ हमारा बैलेंस करना है. सो जो अजेंडा फॉर दीज 3 weeks इज व्हाट कि वी विल इंट्रोड्यूस यू द कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ सेल्फ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट एंड स्टेप वाइज जहाँ पे जनरली सो सी व्हेन वी से हैप्पीनेस is sometimes we think ki when I get this I'll be happy, when my I lose 10 kgs I'll be happy, when I get this much money I'll be happy. But till the time we realize we are just going behind, but during that journey we are never happy, so we are not able to attract those things, or we are not able to get those things easily. फिर हमें लगता है ओ माय गॉड लाइफ इज सच अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग, बट लेट मी टेल यू लाइफ इज fun, it is very easy. Whatever the energies we talk about, we'll talk about energies today. So we'll every what we can say is everything is an energy, and ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि we correlate कि no my life is harder, it's not possible, I cannot achieve goals, I cannot earn this much money, it's not possible. So we are into those constant negative thoughts, so कैसे भी करके हमें उससे बाहर आना है. And that's why this 3 weeks what we are going to do, scientifically we are going to understand how this processes can be changed. Because पहले तो इतने साल से जो प्रोग्रामिंग हुआ है वो थोड़ा सा अनलर्न करके then to learn new concepts, then to understand what is inside which is holding you back, and then build on. मतलब पहले बेस रेडी करना है, नेगेटिव से हमें जीरो में आना है, बेस लाइन न्यूट्रल पे आना है, एंड उसके ऊपर हमारा जो भी आगे गोल्स है वो सारे बिल्ड ऑन करना है. So that will be agenda of these 3 weeks. Let me tell you, it is really going to be interesting, and these things we have also applied, and that's why we have modified in such a way that you will be able to understand. So now, and easily, basically this is nothing hard, it's very much fun. So वो ही है कि हम लोग उस पे ही फोकस करेंगे कि how we perceive, that is important, and how our perception should be always in a favor, so that we can take the consistent action. So मतलब हमें हमेशा ही हमारे रिसोर्सफुल स्टेट में रहना है. मतलब ये बोलते हैं ना कि पहले सक्सेस उसके बाद हैप्पीनेस, कि पहले हैप्पीनेस उसके बाद सक्सेस. सो आइडियली first happiness, first be the person, and then be happy, then everything you can attract very very easily. So just give me 2 minutes, I'll share my screen, and then we will move on, because हमें सिर्फ 30 minutes है. I am going to stop on time, because we respect everyone's time, and that is very important that we finish on time. And छोटे छोटे concepts हैं, हम लोग इस पे every like these 21 days will work on this, definitely you would love. Okay, so we will start our first thing. So today, now you would have heard, काफी सारे लोगों ने सुना होगा law of attractions on Google and social media, बहुत ज्यादा चीजें चल रही है, law of attractions है, law of attraction. So the universe, what we say, this around is universe, we can give it as a name, as a higher power, we consider God. So everything as per your convenience, you can give those names. But just let me tell you, there is a science, physics behind it, that everything is made up of energies, and these energies we exchange. So what is our main thing is, so tune into such a energies, such a frequencies, and energies has a frequency. If you remember your science, because this is all based on laws. जैसे laws of gravity है, वैसे universe के there are 12 laws, and law of attraction is one of them. And जैसे आपने पढ़ा होगा, सुना होगा, सीक्रेट मूवी है, सीक्रेट बुक सीरीज है, उसमें सारा ये दिया हुआ है. बट फर्स्ट टाइम इफ यू विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द साइंस, इफ यू थिंक इट फील्स ऐसे होता है क्या, ऐसे कभी हो सकता है. Yes, it is possible, but only when we are ready to take actions and we understand the science, then only. So if you are ready to take actions, please type in the chat box action, so I know you are listening to me, you are with me. So please write action in the chat box. Yes, so nice. I'm really happy. Everyone is so interactive. Thank you so much. Yes, you are with me. I know. So now we will learn the science behind. As I said, ki we want to make our life easy, fulfilled, happy, with a balanced wheel. This is our intention. So just remember, while we are entering into any session, this is going to be our intention. Now, what law of attraction says? Basic principle is ask, believe, and receive. Simple cheese hai. Now, all these 3 weeks, you think one of the goal or one of your desire, which you want to work on. Keep that in mind and see, you will get, results accordingly, and then you can apply same formula to everything in all the areas of your life. And of course, we are there. As I said, this is going to be constant process. So हम लोग हमेशा आपके साथ रहेंगे. ऐप है, उसमें भी we will be connected on our social media. We'll be sharing everything. There will be different challenges, and we'll all be connected, and we will be raising all these vibrations. So as I said, everything is energy. So energy हमारे thoughts में है, beliefs में है, feelings में है. So कल का ही जो सर्कल हमारा था, thought, then beliefs, then feelings, and accordingly we take actions. So definitely it is possible what we want, but we should be tuned into that frequency. Simple example है, कि हम लोग जब रेडियो गाड़ी में जाते हैं, रेडियो सुनते हैं, we tune into different frequencies, then only we can, listen those songs and all. If one of the channel is giving sad song, we have tuned 93.5 FM, and then that is a sad song. It's up to you. Change your frequency. Get into different songs. So it is the similar thing. It is within us. So that's why we have to bring out those energies, those frequencies from us. And let me tell you, it is possible. And we are going to learn these things, one small concept every day. So today's concept, yes, everything is energy. So we have to give good energy to our thoughts, our emotions. Accordingly, our beliefs will develop, and then we will be able to take consistent action. If you agree with me, please type yes in the chat box. So I would love to have interaction. So the first step, as I said, ask. So before asking now, what you would like to have is a clarity. What really you want to, what really you want to ask, what really you want. That is very, very important. अभी इसमें एक सिंपल चीज मैं बताती हूँ कि बेसिकली हमेशा हमारा क्या होता है, आप सोच लो कि अगर मुझे कुछ चाहिए तो कैसे हमारे मन में थॉट्स आते हैं, दैट इज ऑल प्रोग्राम. बट मुझे ना उसमें ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. इफ आई वॉन्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल एनीथिंग, यू कंसिडर एनी एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एनी डिजायर, जनरली what we feel, if you want a very good relationship, then we think नहीं, बट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए, मुझे किसी ने बोलना नहीं चाहिए, मुझे आई मीन नहीं चाहिए. सो वी फोकस ऑन व्हाट आई डोंट वांट. और जो भी होता है ना कि नॉट, ये जो चीज है वो यूनिवर्स एनर्जीज को पता नहीं चलती. एंड यू सी, सो समटाइम्स you attract what you don't want because major your focus is into what you don't want rather than what you want. तो आज थोड़ा सा give yourself time and focus कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, what is really my goal. And as we were discussing yesterday, it is not just health, it is not just your nutrition, it is not just your spirituality or emotional or physical fitness. There are different dimensions of the life. When we balance, then only there will be total balance of wheel of life. So there are different areas of life. Definitely you can, choose at one time to work on one area. If anything is not mentioned and you feel important to you, obviously वो भी आप इसमें incorporate कर सकते हो. So what are different areas? So education है, profession, then career, finance, हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस. सो उसमें जो जो गोल्स आपके रहेंगे, सो सी बेसिकली व्हेन, जैसे हमारा रहता है ना, हैप्पीनेस इज ऑल अराउंड हाउ वी अचीव. सो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर लाइक दैट. सो दे वांट टू, दे वांट अचीवमेंट्स and they want goal to be accomplished. So that feeling of fulfillment, accomplishments will give you happiness. In turn, you will work harder and harder. So basically think about it कि अगर आप आपको एजुकेशन में कुछ है, ये मेरा गोल है, मुझे ये डिग्री लेना है, या प्रोफेशन, प्रोफेशनली मुझे ये पोजीशन पे प्रमोशन चाहिए, करियर, सो आई वांट अ करियर ग्रोथ इन 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 नेक्स्ट 6 months. व्हाट आर माय गोल्स, व्हाट आर माय फाइनेंशियल गोल्स, इतना मुझे इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, इतना मेरा इनकम होना चाहिए. हेल्थ और फिटनेस में क्या होना चाहिए, मुझे 1 hour वर्कआउट करना है एवरी डे, और मेरा डाइट चॉइसेस अच्छा होना चाहिए. आई वांट टू लूज 5 kgs ऑफ वेट. फन एंड हॉबीज, आई वांट टू स्पेंड सम गुड टाइम विथ माय फैमिली, विथ माय किड्स. देन व्हाट अबाउट योर फैमिली रिलेशनशिप्स, कैसे होने चाहिए, प्रोफेशनल रिलेशनशिप्स, सोशल रिलेशनशिप्स around with your friends, with your neighbors, romantic relationships. देन कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द सोसाइटी, आपका वो गोल क्या है कि मुझे कैसे कंट्रीब्यूट करना है. देन व्हाट अबाउट योर पर्सनल एंड स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ, आई वांट टू गिव दिस 30 minutes to myself, आई वांट टू गिव 1 hour in a day, so I'll read good things, I'll know good things, I'll be engaged in a good positive community. Then what would be the personal achievements, what would be some material desire, I want to travel, I want to. So these are all different areas where you should have the clarity that what are your goals. Now as I was telling, so this is all energy. So when we focus, जैसे है ना कि वैसे आपने सुना होगा काफी इसमें भी डायलॉग्स होते हैं पिक्चर में एंड ऑल दैट कि ओके, जो जो चीज को आप चाहते हैं डेफिनेटली आपको मिल जाएगा, बट वो चीज भी आपको ढूंढ रही है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फ्रीक्वेंसीज. only thing you need to get into right frequencies. So जैसे आपका वो जो बोलते हैं ना अलाइनमेंट, सो व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स, यस आई वांट दिस, व्हाट आर योर बिलीव्स, यस आई कैन डू दिस, आई कैन अचीव, and then what are your you know feelings about it. So you are feeling motivated, inspired to take actions, and then only you will be able to take actions. अगर आपको बहुत अच्छे से चाहिए, but then you don't your thoughts and beliefs are not aligned, then you will not be able to take actions. Or one more thing, if you don't know clarity, मुझे ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, then of course it is all confusion. You will not be able to take actual steps. It is all about, if you want to, again it's about the software. So if you want to put if you will put some destination in your GPS, then only path will be shown. Otherwise if you are confused, हाँ मुझे जाना तो है, शायद 12 किलोमीटर है, 13 किलोमीटर है, I don't know the place of the name, then it is so confused, how you will get the map? So first have a clarity. So आज का जो हमारा ये है एक्सरसाइज है, that is two things. One is clarity, what you really want, and in all areas of life, because that is real balance. Okay. And another thing, focus on what you want. Now, this is we are utilizing one principle of how to build thoughts. Okay. If you agree with me, yes, please type thoughts on the chat box, because this is something, one of the technique called as, this is one of the technique in NLP, that is training your brain. So that is called as deliberate thought building, DTB. Okay, so please, yes, thank you so much for interacting. So please write DTB. DTB is a technique which we are building our thoughts deliberately. Thank you, yes. So we want to build our thoughts specifically so that our feelings and beliefs will be at a higher energy. So it is said, thank you so much for being interactive. So it is said that energy flows and it grows. So whatever you will focus on, वहां पे ही आपका एनर्जी जाएगा, जहां पे आपका अटेंशन है, एंड दैट पार्ट विल ग्रो इन योर लाइफ. इफ यू विल बी क्रीविंग एंड कंप्लेनिंग ऑल द टाइम, लेट मी टेल यू, सेम थिंग इज गोइंग टू कम बैक टू यू. सो ये जो लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है ना, ये उल्टा वर्क कर रहा है आपके लाइफ में अप टिल नाउ. If those are the things recurrently happening in your life, and you feel कि I am in that negative loop constantly, now उसको हम लोग थोड़ा अभी उल्टा करना है कि we can make our brain work for us, as I told you yesterday, and make it happen opposite. Yes, it is very much possible. It's a fun learning everything. So हमें सिर्फ क्या रखना है, फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू वांट रादर देन व्हाट यू डू नॉट वांट. सो आज का दो ही चीजें हैं, आपको क्लैरिटी रखना है, व्हाट आर योर गोल्स, कीप 1 or 2 goals फॉर दिस 21 days. सो दैट क्या होगा ना, ये बिकॉज वाई आई एम एबल टू टेल दिस, इवन पारुल, श्वेता, वनीता, दे ऑल ऑफ अस, we have done and experienced. Okay, and then there is a science also behind it. It is nothing something you just want and you just say and it will come to you. No, you have to work on it. बट उसके लिए जो कंसिस्टेंसी, परसिस्टेंस चाहिए ना, वो हमारे माइंडसेट से आता है. सो बेसिकली वॉट एवर इज अवर सक्सेस इज 80% ऑफ द माइंडसेट, एंड यहाँ पे हम लोग वही बिल्ड ऑन करना चाहते हैं. सिर्फ 20% स्किल आपके पास ऑलरेडी है. यू आर डूइंग गुड at your prof or whatever I can say, your professional level and your wherever you are working. So वो skill set तो है ही सबके पास. हमें क्या डेवलप करना है कि why people will choose you in your profession, why the success secret is your mindset. So जैसे ही आपका mindset रहेगा, जैसे आपके energies, you just try this, and many people will get attracted to you, good things will happen, you don't even know. and एक बार ये शुरुआत हुआ तो it's your habit, it forms a new habit. जैसे कल पारुल ने बताया था कि हमें वही work on करना है, and it's a ripple effect कि वही वही होता जाएगा, and you will start believing it. Okay, so आज का दो ही चीजें हैं, हमें clarity होना है, we have to give energies to good things, focus on the good things. Okay, and then we'll see the third step. So what is the third step? We have to set an intention. Means कैसे कि हमारा क्या है, definitely I am not saying it is not possible for us also. It is not like every time we are very happy and all that. See, it is like it's always waxing and waning of your emotions. हमें क्या है, वी हैव टू बी अवेयर कि यस, राइट नाउ इन दिस मोमेंट आई एम नॉट फीलिंग हैप्पी, this is not happening according to me. But what we are learning resilience, means how early, how immediately we can bounce back, rather than having in that state for say days or months or years. I have seen people like that and not doing anything. Rather than that, okay, it's okay, be aware, and it's just be okay with it, and then now we'll give good intentions to it, we will bounce back. Okay, it's happening, I can understand, but now how good I can perceive that event. So my perceptions will decide my thought, even if it is not in my favor. See, something will be good into it, and definitely that will give power to your thought, and then accordingly your actions will happen, and automatically the situations will turn in your favor. सी एक मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि समटाइम्स कैसे होता है ना कि कितना भी बैड सिचुएशन है, सो उसमें कुछ तो अच्छा होगा डेफिनेटली, और एटलीस्ट that is pushing you by that is pushing you towards developing yourself or having transformation, learning about self journey. ये भी हो सकता है, that is okay, it can be as high setback as it is, जो नहीं होना चाहिए, but ultimately it we cannot change the circumstances. हमारा ये क्या है, yes, we have to change our perceptions, our thoughts, and उसको ही energy हमें देना है. And definitely there is something I would like to just say one thing. There is something called as divine delay. Okay, मतलब ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, यूनिवर्स है या गॉड है या हायर पावर, everything there is a, we will introduce that concept also. Everything is abundantly available. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं कि हमें वो नहीं मिलेगा. There is nothing like you will not get it, you will have to do hard work. कुछ तो मैंने किया होगा sin, इसलिए मुझे अभी ये सब हो रहा है. No, don't get into all these thoughts. If you are favorite child of God, you are favorite child of universe, everything you will get, everything. Just tune into right frequencies and vibrate with highest energies, and then take actions. There's something called as divine delay. Understand that, analyze the situation accordingly. Don't get caught into that particular cage. Just come out of it. So definitely, basically what we are going to set is an intention. So every day we are going to intent in the morning, yes, today I will try to change and cultivate more meaningful positive thoughts. If you are ready to do that, please type yes in the chat box. It is very easy. We will deliberately, as I said, DTB will deliberately do those things from today, and definitely you will share experience now that it will affect your overall mood, and you can you can gain the control of your mind, and that exactly we want, because whenever you are in that highly resourceful state, definitely you will be able to achieve more. Okay, so what is there is, आज एक जस्ट डिसाइड कर लो. अभी इसमें ना डेफिनेटली ऑफ कोर्स एवरी पारुल आल्सो विल अग्री ऑन दैट these things would work more if you start writing also, because writing means na you are giving more power to your thought, and your brain is also having, brain will register that. And tomorrow's session is going to be interesting with Parul. She is going to tell you like how we can feel our goals and our desires, and how that will improve or increase your overall internal energies. So definitely I will request everyone, if possible, I know maybe all these after maybe school or colleges you would not have written, but try writing especially, or maybe typing. I feel more connected to to write, so I do lot of writing. So try it. I will suggest, like, if you give that your thoughts a pen and paper na, definitely that will work much better. सो बेसिकली एक इंटेंशन रखो, एक ही रखो, वन इंटेंशन पर डे. सो कैसे होता है ना, हम लोग टू डू लिस्ट बनाते हैं. आज मेरा मीटिंग है, आज मेरा ये है, बट उसमें इतना स्ट्रेस होता है कभी कभी, मैं पहुंच पाऊंगी कि नहीं, मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे होगा, आगे वाले को सच में वो अच्छा लगेगा, ये प्रोजेक्ट वर्क ऑन करेगा. डोंट गिव दैट फीलिंग्स टू इंटेंशन. मीन्स व्हाट? टू गिव फीलिंग्स, positive thoughts to your to do list. I am going to have this meeting today. I will reach on time. and definitely my presentation is going to be wonderful, impressive, and then I'm going to get that deal, and then I'm going to get appreciation from my boss, and then overall in my unit. So ऐसे अगर आप रखते हो ना, definitely you see the difference and you tell me your experience. So this is something called as intention setting. एक ही intention रखो, simple भी हो सकता है. आज मुझे दिन भर I'll be feeling very happy. I will just challenge my negative thoughts. I will convert my negative thought into positive thought. Anything. You just write it down. Believe me, it will happen. And you will notice difference in your overall feelings. Okay. Now, this was all about mindset, thoughts, and all that. So, because now let's see what our other experts want to say today about exercise. So, unka recommendation hai. So, just let me tell you, just to catch up, because now we are just there to end the session. 4 more minutes to 4 more minutes to go. एंड देन कैसे होने वाला है कि ये 21 days हम लोग छोटे छोटे इंसाइट्स एंड छोटे छोटे टास्क देंगे. आई वुड प्रेफर कि आप लोग प्लीज, जैसे यहाँ पे इंटरेक्टिव है, मैं आई विल ओपन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप फॉर 12 hours. ये सेशन के टेक अवेज आप डाल दो. सो आज का जैसे क्या था, क्लैरिटी, थॉट, परसेप्शन हमें अच्छा रखना है, इसीलिए हमें क्या डेवलप करना है, पॉजिटिव थॉट्स डेवलप करना है. उसके लिए हमारा अगर कुछ गोल एंड डिजायर है तो उसका क्लैरिटी होना चाहिए, एंड वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन गुड एनर्जीज, अकॉर्डिंगली गुड थॉट बिल्डिंग. फिर कैसे आगे जाना है, टुवर्ड्स एक्शंस विल टेक यू. ओके, बट ये पहला था, पहले टू वर्क ऑन द थॉट्स. तो जो भी आपके टेक अवेज है ये सेशन के, प्लीज मेंशन इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. If anything you would like to ask, we are always there. We will have that, clarification with all of you. And then there is a FB group. You can put your experiences or your queries on there. Please post. So जैसे मैंने डाला था, जो भी most interactive रहेगा उसको we will have nice gifts. Then we will share one. We will take one. Consistent members of the week twice. They will get good gifts from us. And of course, at the end, reward is app that is going to be with you. So ये सारे चीजें हैं. Please raise the energies, write down the takeaways, think on this, catch up the recordings. Recordings will be available for 24 hours. And then we will see like how it feels tomorrow when you will be joining first thing. We will, ask you like what would be the, what was the change in your mood all throughout the day. So for this is today's recommendation from our expert Dr. Vanita. So stretch routine. Yes, you start from up. Next stretches 1 minute, side to side, up and down. Then shoulder rolls. Then arm circles. Side stretches, forward bend. You can take a screenshot or catch up the recordings. उसमें दिख ही जाएगा. Just follow this because physical activity is one more thing to raise your energies. इसीलिए, and end of this 21 days ना, we will give you one nice morning routine of 30 minutes. और वो आप ऐप के साथ definitely कर सकते हो आपके convenient time पे. And हम लोग तो है ही हमेशा. And one nutritional tip from our nutrition expert, Dr. Shweta. So what is today's her tip is healthy ways of drinking tea and coffee. बहुत बार होता है कि नहीं, चाय तो छोड़ नहीं सकते, कॉफी छोड़ नहीं सकते. We need it, of course, you can take it, but कैसे? In a right way. So do not exceed more than 1 or 2 cups per day. और कैसे लोगे? It should not be the first thing in the morning. Avoid taking it empty stomach because it might cause acidity. उससे पहले कुछ तो आप ड्राई फ्रूट्स, आलमंड्स, रेजिन्स ऐसा ले सकते हैं. लिमिट द शुगर हैज टू बी लिमिटेड फॉर एवरीवन. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं डायबिटिक नहीं हूं, मुझे कुछ फैमिली हिस्ट्री नहीं है. प्लीज लिमिट योर शुगर इनटेक. एंड ऑफ कोर्स अवॉइड बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स, बिस्किट्स, ऑल दैट because it is an extra burden of sugar. So here with this we end our, I'll just stop sharing my screen. So here we end our 30 minutes, power pack 30 minutes. So this is going to be powerful start of the day, and we will come up with a different what I can say, interesting insights every day, some few tasks. Just find some time out. Definitely it will be very much useful to you. So please, one last time before logging out, tell me how did you like about this insight of today's, and are you excited for tomorrow's session? And please, yes, thank you so much. You are awesome audience and always interactive. And yes, I'll open WhatsApp group in some time. It will be for, yeah, it will be for 12 hours. I'll share the recordings. Please share it to all your family members, friends, whoever wants to join, because this link is open and it is like no registration required. Whole intention for my intention today is, yes, spread this positivity to the world, make this world better place to live for us, for our kids, for our future generations. Yes, and with this, I am signing out. Bye. See you tomorrow and we'll catch up. Please share your
Before
experiences. Yeah, Parul, you were saying?
Snehal, yeah, just
Yeah, yeah.
before we sign out, I request all
Yeah.
of you, wherever you are, in whichever condition, just if you can come up for one commemorative photograph so that we can just vouch that there were so
Memories.
many people.
Yes.
And yes, these are the people who have taken charge of their life, got up early in the morning, are ready to just give a new turn to their own existence. So if you can just switch
Yes.
on your camera for a second and we can click a last one photograph. Not required that full time you should be on screen, but at least for a minute, if you can, it'll be a
Yes, if
great
you can,
opportunity for us to
yes,
see
wow,
all of
nice.
you.
And these are all
Thank you
our
so much.
achievers. Yes, these are all our
Thank you so
achievers,
much.
Parul. Those who are, you have
Yes,
decided to
yes,
take a
yes.
charge. I'm
So
so happy. Yes,
thank you. So
so
if you can
nice.
just for a
Yes,
second, others, if you can, I'll just click a photograph.
I
Thank you
know.
so much
Yes,
for this
thank
effort.
you.
And I can see some people are moving around, and we are really grateful that you logged in that time also, where you were walking or maybe
Yes.
going out for work. Thank you so much to be here. We
Thank
will be
you.
continuing the
And
sessions
all
every
of
day.
them are going to get all excited gifts from us because they have taken the charge of their life. Thank you and
Yes, yes,
bye.
yes.
Have a wonderful, inspiring day. Let's catch up tomorrow morning only for 30 minutes charging for yourself. Okay, bye. I'm ending the meeting.